Hello everyone. So today let me show you something cool. Yes, on this channel I talk about a lot of cool stuff, and I'm sure you know about LinkedIn, right? LinkedIn is very popular, and in this video I actually wanted to show you and demonstrate how I have started also exploring LinkedIn documents. Now, LinkedIn document is nothing but a way where you can upload some slides or PDF file, and those documents are actually quite useful because they appear as a slide, because people can actually click on the next. It appears like a vertical, not a vertical, but horizontal kind of a thing where you can basically, where the users can go on the, or basically they can slide, right, the content. And usually people or marketing people, they upload slides so that people can get some attention. And LinkedIn is quite good, or I should say notorious, because a lot of people are using LinkedIn, and especially if you're doing something online these days, you need to basically utilize these social media platforms. Of course, we have YouTube. YouTube is basically for everyone. People watch videos on YouTube, and there are a lot of videos on YouTube, technical videos or non-technical videos, educational, fun, entertainment. But LinkedIn is supposed to be a bit more professional, and I was thinking maybe I should also, because I really want to focus on YouTube this year. I never really took YouTube seriously, but now I'm taking it a bit more seriously, because who knows, I might become a full-time YouTuber. Let us see. I mean, not really planning, but it is always better to have more subscribers. Now, the thing is that I want to use the LinkedIn document, or basically I wanted to upload some slides on LinkedIn. But of course, I don't really want to do it manually. I don't really want to create a slide in LibreOffice or Google Slides. I have my shell scripts, and using shell scripts, you can not only create an image with some text on top of it, and you know it because I use my I generate my thumbnails using a shell script. And in my previous video, I think I showed you how I have started creating these vertical videos with subtitles, and it is great because you can then generate these shorts. Because I have a lot of content, I just need to reutilize it or utilize it in different formats, and I want to do it quickly. Of course, I have the content, which is nothing but my org file, and I use that text to do something about it. Maybe I can create a document or a book or HTML or presentation. But I was thinking, okay, we should probably I should probably think about creating some simple slides, PDF slides, so that I can upload it on LinkedIn. So basically, what I did, I used this simple script that will basically take some parameters. Basically, the parameters are nothing but let me show you the script. So basically, the script will take if I show you the script, it will basically take one image or maybe series of images. I mean, it is always better to create a script which is which you can reuse. So it could be one image or multiple image. Let us say I just have one image and I want to write some text on top of it, and I want to do it for multiple images. I can do that. But let us say you have one image and you want to write some text on top of it, and then you also want to make sure that you can do something with that particular image. So you can basically generate something like this. Let me show you this particular on these images. So this is one image, and as you can see, if you look at this image, there is of course this background, which is nothing but just a background. But on top I have written this text. Now this text that I've written here on top of it, I'm using basically ffmpeg. And watch my videos on ffmpeg. I've made plenty of videos where I showed you how you can write something on top of an image using draw text or using subtitles. Multiple ways of doing it. Now if I look at this image number 1, I can then go to the next image, and this is of course point number 1, point number 2, point number 3, and so on. So this is something that I am doing, and the thing is that these are images. I can use something with I can do something with these images, but at the same time you can use a simple convert command. So basically you can have all the images that you have, like 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do something like image names *.png, and it will basically combine everything together. Of course, it has to be, make sure that there is a numbering, and you can then generate a PDF. Now, if I show you the PDF file, this is my PDF file, which is basically the same, basically the same thing, that same list of images, but of course now they are in PDF format. Now, the good thing about this PDF is that you can, the moment you upload it on YouTube, or not YouTube, but LinkedIn, it will appear like a slideshow, so that you can move forward and backward, something like this, so that people can slide it if you want. So this is something really simple. So this is the script. Now, just to explain the script, the first parameter is either one image or multiple images. If let us say there is one image, this while loop will only work on one image. But if there are multiple images, this will work as well. All you need to do when you are passing basically multiple images, or basically when you are trying to do it on multiple images, you need to do something like basically asterisk here, and then dot svg or png. Basically it will then go through all the images. And when you have the image with you, you can pick up basically pick up the image name or file name apart from the extension, and then use it to generate the output image. The main thing that I'm doing here is I'm just calling my another script, which is generate thumbnail. And if I show you the script, I've shared the script before, by the way, but if you look at the script, I'm basically creating some image with text on top of it. The reason I'm using another script here is because I wanted to use this generate thumb script and do it on series of images. So let us say if I take some screenshots, and if I pass it to this particular script, it will then generate those images, and it will also have, there is a possibility of course, different text or different like title on top of each and every image. For me, my use case was very simple. I was just using one simple image, but I was changing the text by calling the same script again. So you can do a lot of wonderful things with these shell scripts. The main idea here is that I was able to generate something which is dynamic and quickly, and I already have like a lot of material present. So sometimes if I have to, let us say, talk about something, or if I have to promote a video of mine, I'll just create an image or maybe images, and then generate PDF. And then that is it. I'll just upload it straight away to LinkedIn or maybe my website, or you can give it to your client, whatever you want to do. It is like creating a slideshow, but of course slideshow of images and PDF file. And it is nothing but your own shell scripts. You have a lot of options. You have a lot of flexibility to mix and match and do wonderful things with it. And yes, that is it. That is all I wanted to talk about today in this video. I hope I have given you some ideas, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you very much.